Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. How are you all doing? Wanna good? Wanna alright? Hope you keep safe and keep cool, man. The time is hot. Oh. So today guys, as you can see, must have an idea. I'm gonna be baking today guys. I'll be making a potato pudding in my kitchen today. Okay, this is one of my favorite treats. I love potato pudding. Okay guys, so this is the potato I'll be using. You know, the yellow one. Okay, this is the one I'll be using. I have some cornmeal here and flour, and what that does is bind the potato, you know, so you have that firm texture when it's finished baking. All right, have some coconut here that I'm gonna blend. See, I cut it up already. Have some sugar there, spices. This is cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg inside there. Have some salt here, and also have some vanilla, which is a must. I love vanilla. I have some almond essence here, butter, and I'm going to put some raisin in there as well. I have a little raisin soaking, not a lot. This is what I'll be doing in my kitchen today guys, so if you want to see how I get mine done, just keep watching. And I'm going to use some rum too and a little wine. We won't get drunk, don't worry. Just added flavor. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please guys, I need your support. Please like the videos, please share my videos. Please support the channel, man. Support the channel, man. Not cost you no nothing, man. Just support the channel. Thank you, no, please. So guys, I'm gonna grate up my potato and I'm gonna blend up my coconut, and I'll be right back. I use the food processor for this, and of course I have my cornmeal and flour. So I'm just going to combine the rest of dry ingredients now. Guys, this is a cup of cornmeal and a cup of flour, all-purpose flour that is. You don't need any baking powder in this. Now you don't need to use self-rice flour either. We're not looking for a pancake mixture here. We are not looking for that, okay? So no baking powder, nor our baking soda, none of that. All right, so I'm gonna combine my spices, which is my nutmeg, cinnamon, and mixed spice. And I'm also now going to grease my pan. I already greased one. This is some cooking oil, guys. Some coconut oil. This is some coconut oil. I'm just going to use it to grease my baking tin here. I'm going to put this aside so I get my space. Because as I always said, my space is very small. Very small, guys. This is a bigger pan. So I'm going to add my sugar. That's two cups of brown sugar. And I'm going to add my vanilla, and this is 2 tablespoons, guys. I'm also adding some almond don't have to use 2 tablespoons if you don't want to. I use it because I like vanilla so much, and maybe I'm a little extra. So guys, it's my sugar and my coconut milk and my vanilla and all of this together. Okay, so now I'm going to combine it with the dry ingredients here. Smelling so good already. The aroma from the spices is so nice. And guys, you don't have to do it this way if you don't want to. I do it this way because I don't want the lumps. I don't want the lumps in my pudding, so I could combine the potato with the flour and the cornmeal together without the wet ingredients, the wet. But I chose not to do it like that. I do it this way. Guys, I'm going to whisk. You gradually put the liquid in and you just whisk. Okay? Gradually put your liquid in and you just mix. You just whisk. Okay guys? And guys, please don't use the potato that they call yam. The orange one, no. Well, if you like that soft texture, then you can go ahead, but for me, no. Don't come out the same way at all. I'm going to put my potato in now. I remember when I was growing up, my mother used to let us grate a potato to bake the pudding. I love the pudding, but I didn't like to do the work for it because, man, that traumatized me up till to the day. I do not like to grate anything. Used to burn off my fingers, man. I know some of you can attest to that, right? My goodness. Some more liquid as it gets thick. You're not looking for a watery texture here, but you're not looking for it to be too thick either. You know they're gonna enjoy. Stage, guys, I'm going to turn my oven on to 350. Okay, I'll just take the whisk out now. Just tasting, guys, if it needs any salt or anything. So I'm gonna add some more coconut juice to it. And guys, you can use the tin one, the can one, or the coconut cream. You can use whichever one you like, or what you have in your house. I rather the grated one, but if that's what you have, then you go right ahead and use what you have. And also have some melted butter. Also have some raisin soaking in some rum and wine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strain this off. Guys, I'm using my 2 hands here, so I have to do. And of course I'm going to put the liquid in. Of course. Got some wine and rum. Okay. See, and I have a little. I have some rum here, so in case I need some more, I'm gonna add a little bit more to it. Don't worry, you won't get drunk. I think this is at the consistency that I'm looking for. It looks like what I'm looking for. Okay. So I'm gonna just add my raisin in. Finished draining. I'm just gonna add them to some flour I have here. I put the flour over the raisin, guys, so everything won't sink to the bottom when you put it in your pudding, okay? Just sieve off the excess flour. Add them in. Like so. Guys, I'm just gonna add a little bit more rum. Guys, I'm going to put it in my baking tin now. Should be good. One. Okay. Just going to go ahead now, put some butter. Not a lot. This will get it crispy and nice too. Okay guys, so that's it. And of course I leave back some of the milk to make the custard when it's almost finished baking. Okay, here it is, guys. It's baking, coming along nicely. So guys, this is my custard that I'm making up. My coconuts, vanilla, and sugar. I'm going to put on top of my pudding. Let's have a little sample. Of course. Let's have a little tester when we're done. So you get that soft top. that I think everybody likes. I know I love it. For about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna do the rest. Guys, this is so nice. You can have it for breakfast too, you know, with your Milo tea, your mint tea, whatever tea you want, man. Our Jamaican, we love potato pudding. I think most Jamaicans do, trust me. Yes, guys, put some custard on the last one. Back in the oven. All done.